How to add or remove apps to sleeping apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down, and in here, tap on battery, then tap on background usage limits. Next, tap on sleeping apps. Now once you're in here, if you would like to remove the apps, you can tap on the more button, then tap on remove, and then select the apps that you want to remove, and then tap on the remove button. To add apps to the sleeping apps, tap on the add button at the top here, and then from the list of apps, you can scroll down. So here, scroll down and then select the apps that you want to add to sleeping apps, and then tap on add. And that's it. So that is how you can add or remove apps in the sleeping apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.